Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can add meta tags to your Shopify store. Like I said, this is going to be a quick video. Now, before we start, I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like on this video, and let's get started right now. The first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify store. Now, after that, you want to click on online store here in the left. Now, after that, it's going to take you guys to this page. Now, what you guys need to do next, you want to click on these three little dots next to customize, and you want to click on edit code. Okay, so after that, guys, you want to search here for theme. Okay, theme.liquid. Okay, so after that, you want to click on the file. Now, you want to put your meta tags between head and the old meta, as you can see. Now I want to make a space here. I'm going to zoom in so they can show you guys how you can do this. So you want to make a space. Okay, you want to make a space between head and meta, like make a space, and here is the space where you have to paste the meta tags. Now I'm going to paste here the meta tags right now. I'm going to click on Ctrl V, or you can paste it manually. Okay, so I have added now the meta tags, as you can see. Now what you guys need to do is to remove the old one. Okay, you can just remove the old one. Like if you have copied meta tags with head in the top, make sure you remove it. Okay, remove the head. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what I mean exactly. So here, if you want to add here meta tags, make sure you remove these old meta tags. As you can see, these old meta tags, just remove it. Okay, and here you can then put meta tags here and just remove this space here. Okay, that's exactly how you can do this. Okay, if there is like two heads here, you want to like remove one. Okay, so that's exactly, guys, how you can do this. Okay, so I'm going to go back and I'm going to show you guys how you can do this. Okay, I'm going to like zoom in again and I'm going to show you guys how you can do this. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to go back, leave the pin will be deleted. Okay, so I'm going to click on leave. I'm going to again click on the little dots, click on edit code, theme liquid. Okay, theme.liquid, and like I said, you will have to remove the old meta here. Just remove it, and you want to paste the code here. Okay, if there are two heads, you want to remove one, and that's it. Make sure you click on save. Okay, in the top, make sure you click on save so that you can save your changes. So that's exactly, guys, how you can add meta tags to your Shopify. Okay, so if this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like and see you guys in the next video.